scientifically purple's not a real color?
Really? Hit. I'll be back. Oh my god. Nice. Hey, what's up? You good?
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck this guy got shot.
Follow me.
Hey, my battery died, so I'm gonna leave my gun in here.
All right. Oh, hey. I was looking for you. What's up?
Nothing, I got shot in the finger.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Push into that next building with me. See that white van? There's a guy. There's a guy. You see his head?
Yeah.
Yeah, get his ass. Oh, he's dead. Oh! Ah.
Oh, hi.
Hi. You good?
You cracked your GoPro.
No way. Someone shot it right now. Where'd it crack?
The whole like screen thingy right here on the side. Not
Is it
the
broken,
camera.
broken?
There's sweat in my eye. What?
Is it broken?
Yeah. It's
The
cracked.
lens?
No, the other side.
Oh, the screen.
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. Is this crap?
LAPD, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Sorry. We gotta go. We gotta run back, run.
Okay.
Now, before we die. Huh?
I'm out of bees.
Yeah.
I'm out of ammo.
My mags aren't clean. I don't know why.
Bro, you need one
What
more mag
the
for this,
fuck?
and then you're golden for these little, like,
I gotta do safe shit.
these little matches.
Yeah. Can I shoot him?